Fam, you started your YouTube channel, right? I hope that you did now, because I already made a video encouraging you to create your channel. We need to hear your voice. The Most High has blessed you with a message. God has blessed you with talents, with skills, with resources. We need to hear your message. I'm a witness. I have learned so much from YouTube throughout the years. Now, I'm telling you to start your YouTube channel. But guess what? I did not follow up on my own advice for years. For years, family, I was on the sideline. I was not making content. I was my worst enemy. I doubted myself. Let me tell you something. Trust in the Most High. Do not doubt yourself. Do not hate yourself. Trust in the Most High and share that message that Yah gave you. That's right, family. I had finally got started making content on YouTube in August of 2023. And it took me over a year and a half to get monetized. YouTube has been a blessing for me. I have learned so much from YouTube. As a content creator, I get to connect with you and with people throughout the globe. Family, you got to get started. What you waiting for? YouTube has allowed me to express myself. Let me keep it a buck with y'all. YouTube is therapy for me. YouTube has given me a voice. The Most High has used me to share the message that He gave me on YouTube throughout the world. It's a blessing to be a vessel of the Most High. And through the YouTube platform, the Most High is using me as a vessel. And I'm saying this not out of arrogance, but out of humility. That's right, family. It is a blessing to be used by the Most High. I don't know about you, but at the job, you got to keep your thoughts to yourself. You can't really speak on it like that.
Good morning.
You got to hold in what you want to say. But guess what? YouTube allows you to speak on it. YouTube allows you to say what you want to say. YouTube has blessed me with the ability to connect with people throughout the world. I make friends on YouTube. As content creators, we are building communities on YouTube. You don't have to be alone. Becoming a YouTube content creator is a win, win, win. It's a win for you. It's a win for the people. And it's a win for YouTube. Now, don't make me make another video now. When this video ends, create your YouTube channel.